Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where for some reason your iPhone is stuck on updating. So it may not even come into this panel, maybe stuck on an Apple logo and it just continuously goes on and on. Now, here's the thing, there's a couple different ways to fix this. The very first thing I would recommend doing is to just let your phone sit there and finish updating. If it looks like your phone is like not updating, or if it looks like it's boot looping or something, I've always been in this situation, even updating to iOS 15. And most of the time, just letting your iPhone sit there and finish through, make sure it's plugged into an iPhone charger, and just let it sit through. For some reason, I don't know why, this will actually end up fixing the issue in and of itself. Sometimes I just let my phone update and I don't even try to look at it. And most of the time, within an hour, it'll actually go ahead and fully update and it'll go ahead and come back to a phone and, fully working. So that's the very first thing I'd recommend doing. Again, it's not a guarantee that it'll fix it, but a majority of the time, whenever I ran into this issue, every time I just kind of let it sit there and just update, it would actually end up fixing itself. So that's something I'll probably recommend you guys to look at as well. Now, if that doesn't work, if your phone is stuck there for like 3 hours and it's still not moving or anything, then what I would recommend doing at that point is to possibly try to see if you can force reboot your phone. So what this looks like, and again, I wouldn't do this like within 30 minutes or an hour of you, updating your phone. After hours and hours, maybe even a day, I would recommend holding the volume up button and the power button at the same time until your phone fully reboots. Now, again, this isn't a guarantee either, but this may actually end up fixing the issue for you. If you just are able to force restart your phone, it may come back into the home panel like this, and you can try either re-updating your phone, or you can try manually installing the update through iTunes or the Files app, and you may be able to get through it with that way. Now, if that doesn't work either, the next best bet you have is to essentially force restart your phone and force reset your phone and get it into, the set panel. So connect to iTunes, essentially what it looks like. So in order to do this, you're going to have to hold some buttons on your phone. So I'll post on the screen right now the specific button layout you have because it's different per iPhone. So whatever iPhone you have, follow those on-screen instructions. And then you're going to get into a panel that looks like, connect to Files app or connect to iTunes or connect to your computer. And you just want to go ahead and connect your iPhone to your computer. Your computer is going to be able to detect specifically which specific problem you have on your iPhone. And from there, you can go ahead and either restore from a backup, or you can go ahead and update your phone via the iTunes app. If none of those things work, you will have to probably reset your specific iPhone, but then you'll still have a fully functional phone and you can probably recover a lot of your data from that way as well. So that's essentially how you do it. That's how I've done it every single time. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.